ETI booth here in Creativation. Don Faupel, Mike Faupel. We're mixing up some of the Envirotex Lite. We're putting it into individual cups, and then we're adding color to it. So we're adding some of the Alumilite dyes, some alcoholic inks, some of the pearlescent powders to give us the looks and effects that we're going for in our project. So we're going to add some of the dye.
The Alumilite dye.
And it's extremely concentrated, so you don't need to add very much at all. So, yeah. And then we'll have a little extra clear left over. Here we're going to take some of the Alumidust, we're going to put just a little bit of yellow in, and we're going to put quite a bit of the light gold. Where'd it go?
That's right. Is it?
No, there's another one. We're going to put some of the pearl in here with it.
Yellow gold.
Yeah. So when it comes to color, it's absolutely unlimited. It's what you can do with it. So you'll see how when we mix this up, it'll just become this beautiful pearlescent gold color. And it's absolutely endless what you can pour this on. Right now we're using some small canvas, so you can put it over tile, you can put it over wood, do bar tops, countertops, vanities. It's truly endless.
Oh, look at the color. Is that blue?
It's actually a purple.
Very vibrant.
That's how strong the dyes are.
Because that was just 2 drops, I think, that you put in there.
Yep.
So we ran out of material to continue this pattern, so we're just we'll add some more and keep going. So this is a technique where you simply put one color inside of another. So you'll put a dot, put another dot, and it'll flow, right? And we can start a new one somewhere else. Start another one here. And then the other thing that you can do with these is you can actually add some motion to it. So when you get it to a certain point, you can simply add motion to your work.
I'm guessing that's why you wear gloves.
Yes, make sure to wear gloves. So how long would you say you have to
Wait.
do this part here?
We're pretty much, as soon as I move this around a little bit.
It's going to start drying?
No,
No.
so the materials have about an hour open time.
Okay.
So that's the amount of time that you have to work with it, and this gives the air bubbles and stuff time to evacuate. That's why there's never any air bubbles or air entrapment in your pieces. So.
No, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
Beautiful. So then how much time for it to be completely
Typically
dry?
overnight.
Overnight. You
Yep.
let it drip everything it needs to drip.
Yep. Exactly.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for your
You're
little
welcome.
demonstration.
You're welcome.